Gold prices have been soaring this year, and especially in the past month. But things are only getting started with analysts predicting that gold will continue to rise rapidly over the next year. However, gold is not the only commodity expected to see a significant bull run. So, in today's video, I have a tiny penny stock that looks primed for significant exploration in one of the most prolific mining regions in the world. Today, I will be looking at Quimpa Gold Incorporated. This exploration company is making big moves right now and will have upcoming catalysts too. We've had a lot of success with these types of plays over the past year. Companies such as U.S. Gold and Visa Silver up over 100% year to date. Now, we got a lot to get through in this video, so I will try to keep this intro short. But if you find any value in this, can I ask you to smash the like button? It takes a lot of time to make these videos, but it literally takes 2 seconds and costs nothing to smash the like button, and it helps the channel out so much. I'm aiming to get 500 likes on this video. Help me hit that goal. Subscribe to the channel if you're new and hit the bell notification so you don't miss out on any new content like this. I want to point out that I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. So always do your own due diligence. Now let's get into it. Burio Gold is a Canadian-based gold exploration company focused on operations within Colombia. It directs its efforts towards 3 gold projects situated in a prolific and mine-friendly jurisdiction with multiple unexplored targets. The stock is traded on the Canadian PSE, ticker symbol QM, on the OTCQB, ticker symbol QGF, and the Frankfurt Stock Exchange in Germany, ticker symbol KO5. When Gold are aiming to become a leading player in Colombia's mining sector by creating value and collaboration across the entire ecosystem. The company are targeting Tier 1 scale discoveries, and they have a strong exploration and capital markets team with the best-in-class track record, which I will talk about in a moment. Vision is to become a top choice for investors in Colombia's resource exploration. So why Colombia? What is so special about Colombia? Well, Colombia is a great gold mining country with an abundance of reserves and high-quality gold. They have extensive gold deposits with a significant portion of its territory containing the mineral, and Colombian gold is known for its high purity and quality, making it valuable in global markets. So if you follow this channel, then you will have seen the success that we have had with these types of plays over the past year, and it's not really surprising. We've been in the middle of a commodities bull run for the past 2 to 3 years. The likes of silver has gone from under $20 per ounce to over $40. And despite a few pullbacks, it's rallying to new all-time highs. But probably the most high-profile of all is gold, which has rallied to insane new all-time highs pretty much every month for the past 2 years. Whenas projects are strategically situated in the Andean mountain range, offering an ideal environment for gold exploration due to the presence of extensive gold belts and mineral deposits. PBA have a portfolio consolidated in quality districts. Adjacent to producers and past producers, these 3 main projects are Tahami, Burio, and Mamemac. The Tahami project is located in Colombia's prolific Tagoya Gold District. Adjacent to Aris Mining's world-class Pagoya operations, the region has a historical production of over 3 million ounces of gold spanning over 17 hectares and divided into 3 sections. This is a key part of their 59,000-hectare portfolio. Then we have the Burio project, which is over 8,700 hectares and positioned strategically in the Low Magdalena region, an area with over half a century of medium-scale mining activity. While the Mamemac project, which is over 33,000 hectares positioned just 80 kilometers south of Medi, which has been identified as a promising new gold district. Now, Quimpa Gold have been having a great year. The stock is up more than 70% in the past 6 months and is on a steady rise. And this can continue as a company is very cheaply valued with a market cap of only about $40 million Canadian. Looking at the most recent investors presentation, the company is located in the right place at the right time. Considering that Segoya is one of the world's top 3 high-grade gold districts, averaging above 10 G per ton, there's plenty of upside with a team with decades of successful experience in Colombia, backed by strong partnerships and strategic shareholders. The team has contributed to multiple multi-million-ounce gold discoveries all across the country. The Segoya Belt is a top mining jurisdiction with a competitive environment for exploration with government support and formalization and development. While the area has a strong gold tradition and it has the correct infrastructure. Now, while Mamemac and Burio are two promising projects, the company's flagship project is Tahami. And here's the recent highlights from Tahami South project. Recent surface exploration has returned high-grade gold and silver, validating the project's potential and providing a robust technical foundation. Rock sampling returned significant values with multiple samples exceeding 1 g per ton. This confirms a strong precious metal system at the surface. Geochemical results show elevated levels of these elements, which are characteristic of the major gold systems found along the productive Segoya-Zaragoza trend. These results align perfectly with the known mineralization styles of the district, significantly enhancing our confidence and refining high-priority targets for our upcoming drill program. But most importantly, Tahami also sits on the direct structure extension of Aris Mining's Segoya operations, one of the highest-grade gold mines in the world. Pompey is directly adjacent to Segoya's 1.5 million-ounce gold reserve with a remarkable average grade. Aris is expanding its Segoya mill to 3,000 tons per day, and this growing operation already relies on a proven model, which creates a critical need, because increased production will reduce the current mine's life, making nearby discoveries critical for long-term success. As it says here with a successful discovery, Quimpa is perfectly positioned. The Tahami claim become a strategic asset with a clear path to monetization, either through potential sale or becoming a high-grade or supplier to our neighbors. In the latest news from a company, they announced that they had started drilling at the Tahami site. The 4,000-meter diamond drilling campaign aims to unlock district-scale potential in one of the country's most prolific gold-producing districts. But Quimpa's 2025 fieldwork outlined multiple drill-ready targets with strong geochemistry, hydrothermal alteration, and structural control. Drilling began in early August 2025 with initial results anticipated in Q4. So, it's been over a month since this drilling began, and we've not had an update since this. But with Q4 only being days away now, as we reach the end of September, we could get news any day. And Quimpa's CEO Alexander Boven stated that the old adage in exploration holds true. The best place to find a mine is next to a mine. And we're the first company to deploy modern exploration on this part of the Segoya trend. So drilling will continue through Q3 with initial assay results expected in Q4. Follow-up drilling is being planned in parallel to expand on the intercepts and test new targets defined through ongoing mapping and geological exploration. All in all, this stock looks very interesting at such a low market cap. And with such a tight share structure, well, which I will look at in just a moment, some good news really could see this one fly. Now, it's rare to see OTC companies that have analyst coverage, but there is one analyst who has rated this stock. Analysts at Hull Capital raised Quimpa earlier this year with a price target of $1, highlighting both the potential of the company and also the tied capital structure and strong support from institutions and insiders. They believe the stock could react with significant price movements in response to positive exploration or drilling results, and stating that Quimpa is the opportunity to participate in a promising explorer in Colombia's Segoya mining camp. Now, one of the things mentioned here from the analyst is the company's tight share structure, and we can see this here. There is very little of the total outstanding shares actually in the float, with 23.9% held by the CEO. Another 10% from management directors, independents drilling. Both family offices, institutions, and strategic investors hold about another 35% of the total shares, where this level of insider ownership shows that they have real skin in the game. And importantly, this is a company with no debt. But guys, what do you think? Quimpa looks like a very interesting stock to be on the watch list right now. There's a lot of things happening, and they have upcoming catalysts too. And considering that the price of gold keeps rising and hitting new highs nearly every week, then this could be a great opportunity. But guys, what do you think? Drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts on Quimpa Gold. Remember that I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. So, always do your own due diligence. Remember to like and subscribe.